Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. I know I always say it, but man, we got another good one for you. I try to always make that true, by the way. Today, we're gonna do jerk shrimp, peppers and onions. Oh my goodness. Put this on rice, put it on grits. If you know what grits are, can't beat it. It is quick, it's simple, you don't have a whole lot to do. I'm gonna do it on the Weber kettle today, so stick around and see how this one turns out, and hang tight. Okay, well, here's what I'm starting with. I have 3 pounds. This is fresh, peeled and deveined shrimp. Now these are at least jumbo, if not a little bigger than that. Most of these are pretty good size. Now, this is the easy part. I'm gonna take, and I've got some jerk seasoning, and I'm gonna put 2 packages of jerk seasoning. Now, this is just store-bought jerk seasoning. You use what you want to use in with your shrimp. And oh, does this smell good? I know I say it all the time. Here's the second one. I'm gonna put that in this gallon Ziploc bag with this 3 pounds of shrimp. Zip him back up, and then we're gonna take and toss it. And to me, this is the easiest way you will ever coat things and with the least mess, okay? Now I wanna make sure that this is good and mixed. I wanna get it really well coated. And I know those 2 packages seem like a lot, but when everything's said and done, with 3 pounds of shrimp, that's not a whole lot. All right, I've got these coated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes. And when I get them out, I'll bring you back. All right, I've got a fairly deep iron pan, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. That's olive oil I'm using. That's just what I had, what I picked up to use. And in that, I'm going to add, I have some peppers that I've cut up, and I've got an onion that I've cut up. I'm gonna dump all this in the pan. Now I'm doing that before I add my shrimp because I want to give a little bit of a head start on all these vegetables. Oh, you can hear that sizzle. Well, why not? Just do it right here on the grill. All right, what I want to do is I want to let these onions and these peppers, you see I have several colors of peppers in here. I'm going to let them soften up and get just a little bit of a head start on these shrimp, okay? So let me soften them up a little bit and I'll bring you back. All right, now that we've given the vegetables a little head start, let's just start laying these out. Now these are only going to take maybe a minute, minute and a half aside. They're not huge, but I do have a lot of them. So I'm just going to lay them out. I'm going to want to turn them one time. And remember, I got 3 pounds of shrimp, so I got a right good bit of shrimp to get on here. about the time I get these out. Now what I'm looking for is, of course, we just marinate on them. They're not really going to turn pink, okay? So what they're going to do is they're going to turn white. So we're going to look and keep stirring up our peppers and our onions here. And we're going to keep an eye on these shrimp. Last thing in the world you want to do is overcook the shrimp. All right. Okay, as you see, they're turning white on the side that I have down toward the fire, and that's what I'm looking for. I want to turn these over as they start turning white. Again, they're not going to turn pink. They would if you boil them, but they're not on the grill. They're going to turn white. And that's what I'm looking for. I want to just turn them white on that side. I'll let them go about a minute. And you see, I can see as I'm going along and flipping them which ones are ready and which ones aren't. All right, as these get done, I'm just going to flip them over into the pan. All right, let's bring him over and start stirring him up. Mix all these flavors together. All right, this is ready. Let's take this off the fire. Well, here it is. You know what I'm gonna do, right? I'm diving in. I can't wait to try this. The shrimp is done perfect. That jerk seasoning, oh my goodness. I can taste the peppers and the onions. I'm gonna go fix a plate. Now this is perfect with a plate of rice. I'll tell you something else that would be good is a big plate of good creamy grits, and this poured over the top of it. Oh my goodness, that would be so great. Listen, let me set this down, it's hot. Thanks for sticking around, I appreciate it. Seeing how it was going to turn out, this did perfect. I wouldn't want to change a thing on it. It's so easy, it's quick, you don't have to worry about it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle over here and subscribe? I'd appreciate it. I'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.